Alrighty, so we're in the final stages now. I got that pretty sharp. Again, this is my first time actually using any of these proper tools to polish this, so it just goes to show that anybody can at least get something halfway decent. And you know, the sharpening tools actually aren't very expensive. It's mostly just the time and effort of doing this. So this is actually the product that I'm going to use, Ballistol. And I bought this in a pump spray instead of the aerosol. I don't know exactly why, but I thought it might mist a little better out of here. Not the case. I tried using this the other day. It's very thick. So these have been sitting out in the rust remover, and basically what happens is they are going to rust if we don't protect them. So you can use different things, types of waxes and things like that. I'm going to use the Ballistol. So I'm going to basically get this out of the way here and spray everything down and coat everything. I'm going to be pretty liberal with this stuff. That's a painted surface anyway, so it's not going to matter. But I'm going to be liberal with this. Ideally, I probably want to soak it. And a lot of guys use a rag. They'll have the rag in the bucket, and that works great too. I don't happen to have one right now. Especially the iron. And the body. In the throat there. It has a funky smell to it too. I've never really used this before. Smells similar to some of the gun cleaning products I use. Might be one of those things you get used to, the smell of it.
Oh, I leave what's wrong, 'cause I've seen down ending the night. No point to resist nor ever fight. From days to years, just passing by. We lost our attention, lost the light across the ocean of our lives. You know what's wrong to be with you. I never felt you wanted to. Like all those parties without fun, like a summer without sun. You know what's wrong to be with you. I never felt you wanted to. Like all those parties without fun, like a summer without sun. Oh, sweetheart, let's contemplate. Forget your anger, drop the hate. We're still the masters of our fate. Today feels wrong. Tomorrow we'll be on our own. Everlasting game no one ever won. Now it's just you and me apart. Each other with a broken heart. You know what's wrong to be with you. I never felt you wanted to. Like all those parties without fun, like a summer without sun. You know what's wrong to be with you. I never felt you wanted to, like all those parties without fun, like a summer without sun.
Alright, job complete. Hope you enjoyed the video today. I also have, I just got this in the mail. So let me open this up and you can take a peek at what we got here. I actually just ordered this a couple days ago and pretty excited. One of the tools I don't have that I need for my workbench I'll be building. Any guesses? Stanley number 71 router plane. So it actually very expensive to buy these. This one came with the box, which is kind of cool. Came with the box. Came with a little manual. Shows the small router plane. That's kind of neat. And this was, I bought this on eBay. It's so hard to find these. But this was $125 for this. I offered them $100, and I said, you know what? It's gonna. I don't want someone else to buy it. So I have to learn how to set this up. I have no idea. I can't tell if this has been, if that's bent or if it should be bent. Definitely looks bent. Also looks like somebody maybe welded it, I don't know. Ground it down. Not too sure. Anyways, thanks so much for watching today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, this is the Vaporust. That's the product that I used. I'll put a link down below for that. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.